Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this easy and fast round based market bag. So you can do this even if you are a beginner. It is very environmental friendly. The base measures about 8.5 inches, but you can follow the same pattern and turn it into any size you want. For this project, I'm using cotton yarn, a 5 milliliter hook, a pair of scissors, yarn needle, and stitch markers. Here's my lovely crochet ring. It is beautifully made and I highly recommend it if you crochet a lot. The link is in the description box if you want to find out more. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, I'm using 2 strings of yarn. Because the yarn I'm using is very thin, grab hold of the tail, wrap it around your finger like this to make a major circle. Insert the hook under the first loop and pull through the working yarn and twist. Yarn over and pull through the working yarn through the loop. There's your major circle. To begin round 1, 2 chains. 1, 2. Then 12 double crochet into the major circle. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. That's 1. Again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. That's 2. And again, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and one more, 12. To close the circle, just pull the tail. To begin round 2, slip stitch into the first stitch. If you do not know which is your first stitch, you can always count backwards. So slip stitch into the first stitch. And I normally like to carry the tail with me. Then 2 chains. 1, 2. In the same stitch, place 2 double crochet. That's 1, and 1 more into the same stitch. On your next stitch, also place 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. On your next stitch, also place 2 double crochet. And this is a repeat for this round. 2 double crochet into every stitch. By the end of the round, there's a total of 24 stitches. And I'll meet you on round 3. To begin round 3, slip stitch into the first stitch. Then 2 chains, 1 and 2. Place 1 double crochet into the same stitch. On the next stitch, increase. Increase means to place 2 double crochet into the same stitch. That's 1 and 2. 1 double crochet, increase. So 2 double crochet into this stitch. And this is the repeat for this round. 1 increase. By the end of the round, there's a total of 36 stitches, and I meet you on round 4. Round 4, slip stitch into the first stitch to begin. 2 chains, 1, 2. In the same stitch, place 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Then increase on this stitch. So 2 double crochet, 1, 2, double crochet, increase. And this is the repeat. By the end of the round, there's a total of 48 stitches. Round 5 is another increase round. Slip stitch into the first stitch. 2 chains, 1, 2. Place 1 double crochet into 3 stitches. Then increase on the 4th stitch. 1, 2, 3. Increase in this stitch. So double crochet, double crochet, double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Increase. And this is a repeat for this round. By the end of this round, there's a total of 60 stitches. I think you know the pattern by now, so I'll stop showing how to do increasing from here. You can stop increasing at any round, and I stopped at round 9 with a total number of 108 stitches. And I meet you on the next part of the bag. On part 2, round 10, this is the end of my round 9 with a total number of 108 stitches. To begin round 10, slip stitch into the first stitch. 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, skip 2. Single crochet into this stitch. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, skip 2. Single crochet. 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, skip 2, single crochet. And this is the repeat. And I meet you at the end of the round. At the end of round 10, I just place a single crochet, so 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, skip 2. And to begin round 11, in this chain space, place a single crochet. And then 5 chains. In the next chain space, place a single crochet. 5 chains. And single crochet into the next chain space. And this is the repeat for this round. 5 chains, single crochet, 5 chains, single crochet all around. Your bag may look a little bit flat at the beginning, but it's alright. Just continue to do 5 chains, single crochet, 5 chains, single crochet, and you can repeat this for as many rounds as you like. I did a total of 27 rounds, and I meet you on the next part of the bag. After 27 rounds of 5 chain single crochet, I am on round 36. To begin the next part, single crochet into the chain space. In the same chain space, place one more single crochet. Then on this single crochet stitch, place a single crochet. In this space, place 2 single crochet. 1, 2, and single crochet into this stitch. And this is the repeat. By the end of the round, there's a total of 108 stitches, which is the same number of stitches on round 9. At the end of the round, slip stitch into the first stitch. 1 chain. Place a single crochet into the same stitch. Then single crochet into every stitch all around. And this is a repeat. Repeat for about 5 rounds, and I meet you at the end of 5 rounds. After 5 rounds of single crochet, to join the round, I cut yarn. Use a yarn needle to join the round. Insert into the first stitch. And insert into the top of the previous stitch. And this will have a nice finishing look. Then weave in the tail. As you can see, I have already marked where I want my handles to be. Pick any stitch as the first stitch and place a marker. Place a second marker on the 54th stitch. Because I have 108 stitches, divide by 2, and that is 54 stitches. From this point to this point is 15 stitches apart. To begin round 1 on the handle, insert yarn where the marker is, and tie a knot to begin. Then make a chain of 80, and this is about 20 inches long. You can make it longer if you want. After you have made the chain, make sure your chain is not twisted, and insert the chain into the next marker. By doing so, place a single crochet. Slip stitch into the next stitch. 1 chain and turn. In the same stitch, place a single crochet. Then single crochet into the next stitch. From here, single crochet along the chain. I am inserting my hook into the back of the chain. this loop here. This is the front of the chain with all the V's, and the back is where the little bumps are. The reason I'm doing this is to have a nice finishing look. So single crochet along the chain. At the end of round 1, place a single crochet into the first stitch to join the round. Slip stitch into the next stitch. One chain and turn to begin the next round. Place a single crochet into the same stitch. Then single crochet into every stitch. At the end of round 2, place a single crochet into the last stitch. Then single crochet into this stitch. Slip stitch into the next stitch. One chain and turn. Single crochet into the same stitch and single crochet into every stitch. Repeat this for another 2 or 3 rounds. To fasten off, single crochet into the last stitch. Then on this stitch, place a single crochet and slip stitch into the next stitch. One chain. Cut yarn, then fasten off. Repeat part 3 for the other handle. By the end, you'll have a new market bag to use. And that's all for today. I hope you liked today's project. Please don't forget to comment below to let me know. Also, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.